In the Digitize toolbox, you can digitize one buttonhole or several buttonholes. You can create the buttonhole and then edit it, or you can set up the type of buttonhole you want to create prior to digitizing the buttonhole. Let's set up the buttonhole before we digitize. First, open Object Properties and go to the Buttonhole tab. There are 9 types of buttonholes available. If you rest your cursor on the image of the buttonhole, the software will tell you what type of buttonhole it is. Then select your settings. If you rest your cursor in the value box, a double-pointed blue arrow will tell you what that measurement is. For slit length, it's the distance on the inside of the buttonhole from one edge to the other. You can make your adjustments and then move on to the next. Bead stitch spacing is the density of the buttonhole. It is the distance between the rows of stitches. If you're working on heavier or lighter fabric than normal, or embroidering with heavier or lighter thread than normal 40 weight, you may want to change the bead stitch spacing. The end stitch spacing will change the density of the ends of certain types of buttonholes. If you wish to keep the bead spacing and the end spacing the same, just check the box. You can also set the angle of the buttonhole to vertical, horizontal, or any degree in between. Once you get the properties set, just click OK, and then you can select the buttonhole and then click on the screen to activate the buttonhole. When you're done setting your buttonholes, press Escape. Of course, you can use alignment and spacing tools with the buttonholes. Just select the buttonholes, go to the Arrange toolbox, and Align Centers, and then Space. The software makes it easy to create the type of buttonhole you wish to use on your project.